So how to remove a pedal from a crank. On the left side, the left pedal is tightened with a left hand thread, so it needs to be undone clockwise like this. What I did was apply some dismantling lubricant with Plus Gas, which you keep for these sorts of jobs, and so the Plus Gas went in here. There we are, just a few drops in there. Leave that for a while, and then to actually dismantle it, what I did was got a torque wrench. So here's a torque wrench, and actually put it in here, so I was able to lever between the crank and the adjustable spanner. As you can see, I've loosened it already, so I'm actually turning this clockwise to remove it, and so the opposite side you do anti-clockwise.